The Conquest Dyad inflatable two-person kayak from Solution for Sports. At 11 feet in length and a capacity of 500 pounds, the 34-pound Dyad is roomy, rugged, stable, and lightweight. Two clear floor viewing panels provide paddlers with a glimpse of the exciting marine world underneath, making it perfect for leisurely vacations, enjoying the outdoors, snorkeling, recreational fishing, and family fun. To set the kayak up is easy. Simply unpack, unfold, inflate the two seat base chambers, inflate the two main chambers, attach the seats, and you're done. In less than 10 minutes you can be on the water. Features include 1200 denier polyester outer shell, 34 gauge PVC mesh hull, 4 rubber and fabric handles, 2 sets of paddle ties, 2 Boston valves and 2 pinch valves, multiple D-rings, storage space. Clear 40 gauge PVC viewing panels are durable enough to stand on, 3 PVC keels for improved tracking. If you've ever had the urge to see the beauty of the underwater world, the Conquest Dyad will add an extra dimension to your next vacation. It's lightweight, portable, and stable, the perfect choice for adventurous travelers longing for tropical fun. At Air Kayaks, we're always happy to answer any questions. Email us at info@airkayaks.com or give us a call at 707-998-0135. See all our inflatable kayaks, canoes, and accessories at airkayaks.com.